When it comes to fasting, one question always bubbles to the surface. Which is better, alternate day fasting or standard intermittent fasting? Alternate day fasting, or ADF, is bold. You eat normally one day, then go nearly calorie-free the next. It can jumpstart weight loss and boost metabolic health, but it's intense and not for the faint of heart. Intermittent fasting, on the other hand, is all about rhythm. The popular 16-8 method, fasting for 16 hours, eating during an 8-hour window, is easier to sustain. It supports weight control, although not as much as ADF, but balances blood sugar and fits more naturally into busy lives. So, which one is better? The truth is, it depends. If you thrive on structure and can handle hunger swings, ADF might be your secret weapon. But if consistency and lifestyle fit matter more, intermittent fasting may be your best friend. Either way, it's not just about when you eat, but how you live. Your health, your rules.